Yes lads, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be quite quick, literally just changing one of the mirrors on the wing. So I'll literally run you through what happened. Anyone who leaves their heated wing mirrors on a Mark 7 Golf, stop doing it, because your mirror will fall off. As in, not the whole thing, just the glass. Check this little modification I did with a little fucking mirror. Yeah, can't see shit out of it. But anyway, stop leaving your heated wing mirrors on. Stop being lazy, turn it off. Otherwise, all your glasses are going to fall off. And it's a known issue with the Mark 7 Golfs, as confirmed by a VW salesman as well. So what I'm going to do today, literally just show you how to quickly change your mirror. We've bought one, but it's not genuine VW, which is a bit disappointing. As you can see, it doesn't have the line down this side here, but it's still a very good mirror. So I'll go ahead now, rip that one off, show you how to fit the new one. Yeah. Right guys, first thing you're going to do is turn your mirror all the way to the right, so it's facing in by your controls in your car. Oh, hello. And then we're literally just going to get under here and we're going to rip it off. Obviously I'm going to need two hands probably to do this. Oh no, one hand will do it. And your mirror's off. Now remember where each wire goes, there for your heated. So we'll literally take them off now. Let me just switch it over real quick and then we'll put it back on. Right guys, there you go. So your new mirror is on, plugged in as it is when you took it off, and then we're literally just gonna fit it back on. Just give me a sec. And there you go lads, just turn it back to the centre before you apply loads of pressure, make sure it's lined up, and literally just keep on pressing it till everything clicks in, and we're sorted. Right lads, thanks for watching the video. Real message of the story: stop leaving your heated wing mirrors on. And you won't have to do this, but if you've left them on and you're watching this, turn them off. See you in a bit.